Hello friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The topic for today's video is window scroll up and down. Scrolling the window up and down. So what's the meaning of this scroll up and down? It is just basically move the window up and down. Like here you can see in the side, this sidebar. So if I scroll it down, if I pull this down, so it is called scroll down, and if I pull this up, it is called scroll up. So it is just the scrolling of the window up and down. And in the x-axis, if I can move it left and right, it is scrolling left right. So here for this like if we want our Selenium WebDriver to do this function, then we need to use the JavaScript executor, and this JavaScript executor is a kind of interface that helps to execute JavaScript through Selenium. So what do we do basically over here? We do force our driver to interact with this JavaScript executor, and the coding will be JavaScript executor JS equals to JavaScript executor driver, where this JS is a object variable that we will use for interacting. So this kind of coding is called the typecasting. It is I have given the just a second, I have given the name here. This is called the typecasting. And then we can if here I have given one example where if we want to scroll our window 1000 pixels down, then we can simply use js.execute script scroll 0,000, or we can just use js.execute script window.scroll by 0,000. So let's execute this code for window scroll up and down in our Selenium WebDriver. So here I have already created a class name is scroll up down, and all the necessary coding I have done by doing system.set property WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver, and then window maximize, delete all cookies, timeout, and I have given a URL where we can that URL we can use for the for this kind of for the very good example for scrolling the window up and down. And let's write the code for the JavaScript executor here. JavaScript and then executor JS equals to we have to pass it here. So let's take this copy from here and we can pass it here. So it is called the typecasting, and now what we need to do is we need to import it. So JavaScript executor, did I do anything wrong here? Let me check it. Oh, okay, Java, open Java. Okay, it has just directly imported our library for that JavaScript executor. Okay, let's create interface. So it is asking to create interface. We just simply can, no, wait, JavaScript executor from this. Yes, so it has already imported it, and if we delete it from here, we can simply check. If we scroll up here, then it will ask us import JavaScript executor from Selenium. So we can simply select this. And now what we need to do is we will use this JS, this object variable, and we will do execute. And second one we can select from here, and then what we need to do is we will pass scroll, and then we can give the values. Like if I don't want to touch x-axis, and if I want to touch the y-axis, let's say I am passing 1000 here, and then yeah, so we can check, cross double check, yeah, this is correct. And now let's execute the code. So first let's save it, and then if we execute it, okay, I have not given any annotation. So what I need to do is I need to give annotation @test over here, because we are running in test-ng. So what we need to do is just change to @test change to org JUnit test and JNotations. So let's try it this time, because there are small things. If we do mistake, even we do learn from that also. So we can check it from here. So that's how we can use @testng. So it has scroll it down from here to here. It has scrolled this window, but because it was too small, so and very fast, so what we need to do is, let's say just manually close it, and let's say instead of 1000 we want to scroll down it up to 3000. So let's run it again. Okay, and if we see here, our Chrome driver started and it has gone down. So it has quickly gone down from here to here. So that's how the Selenium WebDriver works with JavaScript executor. So I hope this video is pretty helpful for this small topic of Windows scroll up and down. If you really like, please do share and subscribe. Thank you very much.